name is Francesca, welcome to my channel. This month I am a bit late with my plan with me. The last week of August I was on vacation and I only had the last few days to set up this new month. I start by showing you the new kit for September, with which we will decorate our bullet journal. The theme is Magical Forest. Usually my theme for this month is always correlated to the beginning of autumn, but in recent years the warm season has lasted until almost October, so I didn't want to create a theme that is too autumnal, and I wanted to do something in between. I think this one with mushrooms and elements of the forest is perfect. Anyway, if you like the kit, you can find it in my Patreon community. The link is in the description box below. As always, I start by gluing my cover page. For this one, I was inspired by the pages of old science books or grimoires, and whole recipe books with botanical illustrations and Latin names of the plants. The protagonists of this cover, and of the whole month actually, are mushrooms. I love them very much, not so much to eat, but above all to watch them. They are so beautiful and cute. I don't know if I've already said it in some other videos, but I also have a tattoo that represents a mushroom, so you can understand how much I love them. During the vacation I mentioned earlier, I stayed in the mountains, and my boyfriend and I went hiking in the forest. We saw so many mushrooms, and every time we found one, we analyzed it with an app to find out what variety it was. It was a lot of fun and super interesting. The days in the mountains were truly beautiful and regenerating. I was no longer used to walk so much, and I was very tired. But at the same time it was super satisfying, and at the end of the days I was always very happy. We saw 2 fawns, a squirrel, marmots, tadpoles in a pond, dragonflies and crickets. It was truly magical. I really missed spending days like this, completely surrounded by nature, and now I'm very happy and grateful. But I really miss being there. Anyway, at this moment I am preparing the calendar. I drew the outline without paying too much attention, to make it appear like it's surrounded by wooden twigs. I then added some stickers for my kit. I haven't talked to you about my Patreon community and the rewards in a while. You can choose between 3 tiers. The first one is the $1 tier, with which you will receive a printable sticker sheet every month. The second is the $3 one, which includes the cover page. And finally, my $5 tier, which contains 4 pages with the decorative and functional elements. If you want to know more about it, you can find the link to my page in the description box. After having finished preparing the calendar page with the girl stickers and the DIY envelope, I move on to create the overview page. Are you happy that autumn is about to begin? I love summer, it's my favorite season and I already know I will miss it. The days at the beach, stay in the garden drawing, the energy of the sun. But I also really like autumn. The idea of staying on the couch with a blanket and all the candles around, drinking a hot tea, it warms my heart. Once I added the important dates for next month, I make the final touches on the calendar page, and then I switch to my weekly. I chose a very simple vertical layout that I decorated with a few stickers. I think the one of the little house in the woods is my favorite of this kit. Which one is your favorite? My monthly and weekly setups are now ready. I hope you like them. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want, subscribe to my channel. If you like this journal kit, I also wait for you in my Patreon community, where you will also find all the haul kits. Have a beautiful and happy September. See you next month. Bye!